Good day, my name is Lebron James Sitanay from BSCE1 and I'm here to discuss my Rivalda of unit of measurement. So, topic number 1, length. So, as you can see on my slide, you can see the conversion factor of length or 1 millimeter is equal to 0.3937 inches. So, problem number 1, converting meters to centimeters. Problem: a piece of ribbon is 3.75 meters long. How long is the ribbon in centimeters? So the solution we're gonna use is to convert meters to centimeters. We use the fact that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we multiply the length in meters by 100. So 3.75 meters is equal times 100 is equal to 375 meters. So the main answer or the answer is the ribbon is 375 meters long. So, problem number 2, converting kilometers to miles. A road is 10 kilometers long. How long is the road in miles? Note, 1 kilometer is equals to 0.6262137 miles. So, the solution we're going to use is to convert kilometers to miles. Multiply the length in kilometers by conversion factor of 0.0621371. 0.0021371 or 10 kilometers times, so ano po ba yung conversion factor ng 1 kilometers to 1 miles, which is 0.621371. So 10 kilometers times the conversion of miles is equals to 6 miles and 2.371. So rounding two decimal places, so the round off natin two decimal places is 2.6137 miles is equal to 6.21 miles. So the answer is the road is approximately 6.21 miles long. So the problem number 3 is adding different units of length. Problem: a piece of wood is 2.5 meters long and another piece of wood is 100 centimeters long. What is the total length of both pieces of wood in centimeters? The solution that we're gonna use is first, convert the length of the second piece of wood. So, 150 meters. To i-convert muna natin yung what centimeters to meters. So, 150. So, 150 cm or 100 ah, so 100 centimeter, 150 centimeters, 100 or 1.5 meters. Now, add the two lengths together in meters. So 2.5 plus 1.5 meters or 4m. So the answer is the total length of both piece of wood is 4 meters. Next one. So the topic number 2 is area units. As you can see in my slide again, the conversion unit of area. Okay, so topic number 2 is this. Problem number 1 is converting square meters to square centimeters. Problem: a garden has an area of 25 square meters. How many square centimeters is this? Solution: so to convert square meters to square centimeters, we use the conversion factor of 2 to 1 meters. So it equals to 1,000 centimeters squared. So to convert 25 square meters to square centimeters, so 225 meters squared times 10,000 is equals to 250,000 centimeters squared. So the answer is the area of the garden is 250 square centimeters. Problem number 2. kilometers to square miles. A country has an area of 150 square kilometers. What is the area in square miles? Note, 1 kilometer is equals to 0.62137 miles. So to convert the square kilometers to square miles, we need to square the conversion factor. So 1 kilometer squared is equals to yung conversion factor na ginagamit natin, which is, yun nga, 0.62137 is it miles squared, or so 1 kilometer squared is equal to 0.386102 miles squared. So now, multiply the area in square kilometers by this conversion factor. So, 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 dalawa. So, ayun nga. 2 to 150 kilometers squared times 0.386102 is equal to 57.9153 miles squared. So, rounding to decimal places is 57.92 inels. So the answer is the area of the country is approximately 57.92 square miles. So problem number 3, finding the area of rectangle in the different units. Problem. A rectangle room has a length of 8 meters and a width of 5 meters. What is the area of the room in square centimeters? Solution that we're going to use is the first, calculate the area in square meters. Area is equals to length times width. So, or 8 meters times 5 meters is equals to 40 meters. So now, convert the area from square meters to square centimeters. So 1 meter squared is equals to 10,000 centimeters squared. Tapos 22240 square meter square times 10,000 is equals to 400,000 centimeters squared. So the answer is the area of the room decrease square cent or 4,000. Okay, typo lang po yan. Pero ang sagot po yan, the area of the room is 4,000 square centimeters. The topic number 3 is a volume. As you can see on my slide, there that is the conversion factor of the volume. Problem number 1, converting cubic centimeters to cubic meters. Question. A small cube has a volume of 2,000 cubic centimeters. Convert this volume into cubic meters. The solution that we're going to use is, we know that 1 cubic meter, or m to the third power, is equals to 1 million cubic centimeters. To convert 2,500 cubic centimeters to cubic meters, divide by 1 million divided by 1 million the 2,500 square cube divided by 1 million and 0.002 meter cube is equals to, so the volume of the cube is 0.0025 cubic meters rather. So the problem number 2 is finding volume in the cubic inches of a box given the given dimension. Question number 1. A rectangle box has the following dimension of the length is equals to 12 inches and the width of 8 inches and the height of 6 inches. So find the volume of the box in the cubic inches. Solution: to find the volume of a rectangular box, use the formula volume is equal to length times width times height. So substitute the given. So the volume is 12 inches. The length is 8 inches, and the width is 6 inches, and the height is 57 cubic inches. So the volume of the box is 576 cubic inches. So that's the conversion unit of